Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is another part of the C++ HackerRank series, and I hope you like it. Let's just get into it. Alright everyone, so this is min-max sum. Given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. Then print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of 2 space separated long integers. Right? Okay, cool. Cool. So we know that we're working with longs right off the bat. We also know that we're getting in an array of some sort. It's gonna have 5 items in there, 5 integers. The minimum sum, we're just gonna add up all the lowest numbers in the array, and the maximum sum will add up all the 4 highest numbers in the array, and then we'll just print that out on one line. So this is pretty straightforward. Right, here are the constraints. Cool. And I know in this description is kind of showing like this is sorted in order, and this is sorted in order, but I don't think that all of the test cases are sorted. So, I mean, let's just start solving it and we'll see where we go from there. First, one thing I like to do is just grab the length of the array. But I guess we already know that the length of this array is 5. So maybe we don't have to do that, but one thing we're still gonna want is long min set to 0 and max set to 0. Okay, and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna sort this array. I know I still don't have that video up about functions, but this is another built-in function in our C++ library that we can use to sort arrays, or vectors in this case. So first thing we're giving it is array.begin, which is an array iterator. This is the starting place of the array. This is one we're going to want to sort the whole array, so we're going to do array.begin plus 5 because that's the length of this array. And then next we're going to want to iterate. So let's make our for loop. Int I is equal to 0 as long as I is less than 5, I plus plus. And if I is, well, this one we're going to be working on the minimum. So if I is less than 4, then we're going to increment minimum, or we're going to increment minimum by this array at I. So min plus equal array at I, and then if I is greater than 0, then we're going to increment max by array at I. And then let's just print out what they want, which would be min, then a space, then max. And I think I'm just gonna close this off here. Cool. Does this make sense? I hope it does. Let's run the code, see what happens. Okay, we love to see it. Let's submit the code and see if it passes all the test cases. Okay, it made me nervous. Like I said, the laptop is a little slow, so that stuff is bound to happen. Awesome. Alright, so then I guess I'll stop recording. Okay, everyone. Yeah, I'll give you a high five. That is another problem solved. And I'll just keep them coming. They're coming out like weekly. I think one of these weekends I'm just going to bash out a few of these videos, and I'll be able to make them for you and get them to you faster. And also one of these weekends I'm going to have to film some more stuff for the Learn C++ series because I have functions, and then I also have a few other videos in that need to go into that series so that you can get a good, I guess, idea of everything that's going on that you have the power to use in C++. And yeah, that is about it for this video. I will see you in the next one.